In this video, I'll show you how to rewrite text with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is useful when you want to improve clarity, change the tone, or simplify your writing. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll paste or type the text that I want Claude to rewrite. For example, I might paste a paragraph from an email, article, or document. After adding the text, I'll type a prompt like, "Rewrite this text to make it clearer and easier to read." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the text and generate a rewritten version with improved clarity and structure. If I want a specific style, I can also ask Claude to rewrite the text in a professional tone, simplify the language, or make it shorter or more detailed. For example, I might type, "Rewrite this text to sound more professional." Once Claude generates the rewritten version, I can copy the improved text and use it in my document or message. And that's it, I've successfully rewritten text using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.